journey. Keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip. Para sus experiencias en manejar sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuiden sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey.
While visiting this land of tomorrow. Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. It's a Tomorrowland Speedway. Put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Not even a chance. Yeah. They actually have to come on.
Wow, I can't believe that makes something like that.
When we get done, I used to think this used to go so much faster.
It used to think it'd be so cool because you actually drive it and you got your license.
off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
I know, right now. Just so blink the light. Get a close over. I think something happens. It's supposed to be like you're small.
Alright, look over here, look to the right.
Yeah, I see something.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planets and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
See like the street, like planets and stars.
Calling all space rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's Herd.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
Favorite, right?
It is. He read on it, I think, twice. He loves it. It's a brand new one, it's a cool box. He has a little chain, and he has just like his son.
Oh, so he does.
This time it's Lavender After at Monsters Incorporated, so drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated platform. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
Then you think about how they put those things on top of the...
The Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Touring tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution or exit by stepping away from the car. And please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. And please keep your arms away from the